Lahpet means tea in Burmese. It can be eaten or it can be drunk. Here we use lahpet mainly as salad. So we pickle it ourselves. We use all the traditional method of making the salad. My name is Zaw. I'm the chef at Lahpet from Burma. I was born in Kalor. And when the tea leaf is ready, we have fried mixed beans. It's got butter bean, broad bean, chana dal, peanut, fried garlic, and cabbage. We use two types of cabbage, red cabbage and white cabbage. Tomato, we use heritage tomato so that it looks colorful as well. Garlic, we use fresh garlic, thinly sliced. Chili, we use bird's eye chili, thinly sliced. We use dried shrimp here as well. Dressing wise, we have garlic oil, shallot oil, and lime juice. That's our dressing. And we add fish sauce to it, and we finish off with sesame seed on top. Lahpet salad goes really well with plain rice. It's best to be eaten spicy as well, with fresh chili and fresh garlic.